to my YouTube channel. Today we're unboxing the Ultraview Hinge 2. So I'm going to go over how you set the click and the fire. This is the fire moon and this is the click moon. And here it has edged which way you turn to make it hot and which way you turn to make it cold. Which hot is the release goes off faster and cold is the release goes off slower. This is your locking screw on the bottom. You turn at a quarter turn to unlock it and set your moons. So on this release, unlike the Ultraview 1, they added a magnet so the head doesn't rattle around. Because if you went like this with the original hinge, the head would flop, and now it doesn't do that. Dink. Oh, now we're going to go outside and shoot the release, and I'll give you my initial first thoughts. Your set screw and you only loosen it a quarter turn. Alright, so initial thoughts of the Ultraview Hinge 2. I think it's a pretty great back tension release and it's pretty user friendly. Once you figure out how to actually pull back and not get the click. Oh, I also like how pronounced the click is, so you know if you actually clicked or not. Dink! You're supposed to cut out. Oh! L. Jesus Christ. Thank you for watching my initial thoughts of the Ultraview Hinge 2.